Like, share, and subscribe.
Her collarbones, while silver bangles jingle around her wrists with every carefree movement. As the sun sets, casting an amber glow over the landscape, her body is bathed in warm golden light. Her eyes closed, she twirls around, arms outstretched, embracing the golden hues of the evening. The field, dotted with mango trees and wildflowers, stretches on infinitely, a serene sanctuary just for her. Her smile mirrors the vibrant colors of the sky, a beacon of unbridled joy and youth. With each fluid, unself-conscious movement, she dances in perfect harmony with nature. In this moment, she is free, innocent and beautiful, lost in the bliss of her surroundings, with nature as her only witness. This is teenage bliss in an Indian field, a captivating dance of life and freedom.